Select the truss element. Insert the first end and move the mouse cursor to trace the truss extension. Modify alignment. Now click to fix the second end. You can insert the truss object in 3D view too. Activate the model dialog to define the truss type, selecting it from the archive. Its geometry. The rod sections and materials. Select the truss and generate the structural model. Use automatic generation to insert the purlins. And reset the structural model generation to make the necessary changes.